What's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. It's your boy S Dub, and y'all know what time it is. So, I'm over here working on my door, about to frame it up, get everything, situated. And my neighbor, she's getting ready to sell her house, and she has a handyman working on it. And he was on this ladder doing some painting, and the ladder fell or twisted, he said, and he fell off and he twisted his ankle. He's all right, but he asked me if I could fix the ladder. He said it's a quick little fix. I checked it out. It looks like it's a easy little simple fix. But enough jaw jacking. I'm just gonna show y'all what we got going on. Let's get it. Okay, so what happened is it snapped right here at the weld. It's rusted. He leaves his ladder out. I tell him he should always hit it with some WD-40 or something, but it goes right up in there. I just bored a little hole on both sides. You got a hole there and a hole in there, and I'm just gonna put a bolt through it, call it a day. Okay, there it is, guys. That is a locking nut, and bam, it's sturdy again. Simple fix. He was lucky enough where it broke right at the joint right there, so that's always, a bonus. But simple little fix. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.